We're on to your final chapter of Math 7, 12/10 surface area of pyramids. So the first thing you need to know is how to figure out that lateral area of a pyramid, and what you do is you take the perimeter of the base, multiply it by the slant height, which is that cursive L, and then divide by 2. So perimeter times slant height divided by 2 is your lateral area. So it's the blue part. Then to figure out the surface area, you have to take that lateral area and then add the area of the base to that. So for example here, I didn't draw the pyramid for us, so I'll just draw it in right now. Sorry. It wants us to find the lateral and total surface area of the regular pentagonal pyramid. So it looks something like this, and they're all coming to a point back there, right? There's our beautiful pentagonal pyramid. Thank you, I'm an artist. So what it is our slant length is 15 centimeters. The sides of our pentagon are 4 centimeters. So first things first is we need to, and the area of our base, it just tells us, is 27.5. So first we need to figure out our lateral area, which is the perimeter times the slant height divided by 2. So if our side lengths are 4, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those since it's a pentagon. So 4 times 5, because we have 5 times, is 20. We're going to multiply that by our slant length, which is 15, and then divide by 2. So I'm just going to go 20 times 15 is 300, divided by 2 is 150. So our lateral area is 150 centimeters squared. Since it's the wrapping paper, it's only 2 dimensions. To get our surface area, we take that lateral area and add on the area of our base, which is 27.5. And we come up with 177.5 centimeters squared. Easy as that. So perimeter times slant length divided by 2. And then you add on the area of your base for the surface area. So here it says in 1483, Leonardo da Vinci sketched a design for a parachute in the shape of a square pyramid. If the length of each side of the base is 12 yards and the slant height is 13.4 yards, find the amount of cloth needed to make the pyramid. Okay, so I'm going to try to draw That's my sorry attempt at a square pyramid. We could tell that I tried, but it's not perfect. But it doesn't need to be perfect. It's saying the length of each side of the base is 12 yards, so this is 12. And the slant height is 13.4. We need to find the amount of cloth to make the pyramid. And remember, something important to know is this is a parachute. So first thing we can do is figure out that lateral. So we'll take the perimeter of the base. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12, or 12 times 4, is 48. We're going to multiply that by our slant height of 13.4, and then divide that by 2. So 48 times 13.4 divided by 2 gets us 321.6 yards squared. Now, do I need to figure out the entire surface area for this one if we are trying to make a parachute? No. A parachute is open at the bottom. So in this case, we don't need to add on that base area because that's open, because we're making a parachute. So the amount of fabric that he needs is this 321.6 yards squared. He wouldn't need any more because that bottom part you don't put fabric on.